Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Basic English grammar. And with noun. An orange. An orange. A cat. A cat. An umbrella. An umbrella. A dog. A dog. An apple. An apple. A banana. A banana. A tree. A tree. An egg. An egg. A girl. A girl. An idea. An idea. A book. A book. An elephant. An elephant. A mirror. A mirror. An alien. An alien. A robot. A robot. An ant. An ant. A pencil. A pencil. An ice cream. An ice cream. A balloon. A balloon. An airplane. An airplane. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.